In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an initial 2-minute song segment using Create, extend the best variation with a second verse and chorus, and then combine everything into one complete track. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. The goal here is to build your song in stages rather than trying to create everything perfectly in one go. That approach gives you more control over the final result and makes it easier to choose the strongest version as you go. Start by using Create to generate your first song segment. This initial section should be around 2 minutes long and should give you the foundation of the track. Think of this as your starting draft. At this stage, you're listening for the version that best captures the mood, style, energy, and overall direction you want for the song. Depending on the options available, you may get more than one variation, and that's helpful because it allows you to compare different takes before moving forward. Once the first segment is ready, listen carefully to the variations and identify the best one. Don't just focus on whether it sounds good in general, pay attention to whether the melody feels consistent, whether the pacing works, and whether the instrumental and vocal style match the vision you have for the finished song. Choosing the strongest variation here matters because this is the version you'll build on next. After that, select Extend on the variation you want to continue with. This is where you add the second verse and chorus lyrics so the song can grow naturally from the original section. Make sure the lyrics you enter fit smoothly with what has already been generated. You want the transition to feel intentional, as if the track was always meant to progress this way. A good tip is to keep the lyrical tone, structure, and theme aligned so the added section feels cohesive instead of disconnected. When the extended part is finished, take a